What's up, everybody? Bitcoin J back with yet another video. This time we're going to be talking about something that I've been in once, made money, got out, diversified, and now I'm getting back in. Why, you may ask? Well, we'll talk about it. Today we're going to be talking about, or in this video, I should say, we're going to be talking about Titano Finance. What is Titano? Some of you may have heard about Titano, some of you may not have. One of my favorite things here is the auto staking. Titano is the best auto staking and auto compounding protocol in crypto. Highest fixed APY, 102,483%. First automatic staking and compounding in your wallet. You don't have to take your coins or your tokens and put them somewhere else. You just buy the tokens. You buy them on PancakeSwap, obviously. PancakeSwap is the spot right now. And you just hold them there. You buy them and you hold them there. Simple as that, right? You get rewards every 30 minutes, 48 times a day. Simple as that. So let's take a peek at this. Titano Automatic Staking Protocol. Like I said, 102,483.58%. Fixed staking APY. Titano Finance is transforming DeFi with the Titano Autostaking Protocol that delivers the industry's highest fixed APY rebasing rewards every 30 minutes. And a simple buy, hold, earn system that grows your portfolio in your wallet fast. Now, here's the deal. There's other protocols coming out very soon that are going to have, it basically is a copycat of Titano. And I'm going to tell you, there's one in particular that's coming out I definitely will be getting involved with. We'll talk about it when it starts. Not yet, but this is all about Titano. Love this program. I think, let me just say this real quick. I got involved with Titano a while ago. I saw a video by my homie, I can't even talk. My homeboy, Jesse Eccles. Jesse Eccles, as you well know, he should be very, very visible on YouTube right now. He's a guy's making $1 million in a year. I don't know if it's strictly through cryptocurrency, but I think online, just $1 million a year online. I think that was his mission. But anyway, nonetheless, even if I'm wrong about that, so hit me up in the comment section. I'm sure you will. His deal was he got involved with Titano Finance. I think he put initially $4,000 in. That $4,000 turned in like $16,000 or some crazy amount. Then he put more money in. So I think he put in a total of like $28,000. It turned to 60. I could have these numbers wrong, so don't quote me on this. But he just did an update video on Titano. His 28 grand, right, that he had in there, in 4 months turned to 244,000 bucks. You heard me right. All he did was buy. He took, and listen, he went in heavy and went in hard. And he just let it go. Just let it do his thing. And he went on about his day, getting involved with other programs. And he went back and checked on it, 244 Gs. Now that's going to compound and automatically compound every day from there too. So obviously the name of the game is the most tokens win, right? If you have more tokens, it's going to auto compound. You get more tokens, and those tokens are worth X amount of dollars. So you may be asking yourself, well, what is Titano Finance worth? Well, let's take a peek. Right now, Titano's up 8%. It's worth 13 cents. What was the all-time high? All-time high was 20 cents. That's not too shabby. Here's the deal. It's still a relatively new protocol. Think about this. I think it started where? In November of last year. November of last year. So you're still early to this. I love it. Like I told you, I was in it once already. Got out of it. I made money. I cashed out, putting that money into other ventures. Then I just took it all and put it into one venture, which was Drip. That's I'm just full disclosure. Love Drip. I love the Animal Garden, Manor Garden prior to that. I love Drip. So I took that and put it in Drip. So it was a good, transition. But that helped fund my other, endeavors. But I got to get back in this, especially after seeing the update on Jesse Eccles. I was like, man, are you kidding me? Yeah, I gotta have some there, some of that Skrilla in here, and let it do what it does. It's just automatically going to do what it does. I don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything, right? I'm just showing you what I'm doing. This is all my videos all about showing you what I'm into. And I'm into a lot, obviously, because I got a lot of different things I'm getting involved with. Because much like Jesse Eccles, I'm on a mission too. Now, I didn't put it out there that that's my sole purpose for my channel, but listen, I'm trying to have that true laptop lifestyle. I don't want anybody to tell me anything. I don't need to rely. I'm hoping I won't have to rely on a day job much longer. I'm getting to that point, and it's just a lot. I gotta fine tune it. Got a lot of other things that have to fall into place. Then we're gonna get there. But let's take a look at where I'm at, really. So listen, you can read about this all you want. Matter of fact, let me just hit this one thing. They just have this new game that they had come out. And it's called Prize Link Accumulation Yield. Titano Play. Titano Play is the new Titano tap-based project that allows Titano to token holders to generate even more rewards simple, powerful, and proven. Your Titano tokens give you access to play, easy to enter, easy to play, multiple big winners each week. No one loses their initial deposit. That is key. That's incredible. Even if you don't win, keep all your money. Love it. How much can I earn? At the end of the year, with $1,000 investment USD of Titano invested, you can earn up to $1 million of Titano. I mean, come on. You got to give that a shot, right? You really do. Tokenomics, then we're going to get to where I'm at. So I put my money where my mouth is. I always say that. I don't just tell you about things. I'm telling you things that I'm into. All right. Not a financial advisor. Don't want to forget that. I'm not telling you what to do. You lose money, it's on you. But I'm showing you what I'm doing. All right, cool. Tokenomics, automatic LP. 5% of trading fees return to the liquidity, ensuring Titano's increasing collateral value. Everyone asks this question: how's this sustainable? Through taxation, just like drip. No different, right? Titano Tokenomics explain. Titano is a BEP20 token with an elastic supply that rewards holders using a positive rebase formula. The thing is, they don't have it's not necessarily deflationary. So what they're doing, from what I've read, right, is they're constantly, I believe it's once a week, they're going in and burning tokens. So they're kind of making their own deflationary style, even though it's not deflationary. All right. Risk-free value. 5% of the trading fees are redirected to the RFV, which helps sustain and back the staking rewards provided by the positive rebase. Treasury, 3% of the purchase, 8% of the sales go directly to the treasury, which supports the RFV. So it's kind of like, this is the circle of Titano. Obviously, you can find it on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Certic. That's a beautiful sign. They're certified. No rug pulls here. And it hasn't been since November, so no worries. You can read about them all over here. Yahoo Finance, Yahoo News, Market Watch, Benzinga. And that's pretty much the initial site. So where I'm going to show you is when you hit open app. So you open your app, you log in. It's obviously going to connect to your MetaMask or whatever. This is my Trust wallet that is connected to. That's kind of how I've done it. But this is how your numbers look. But I'm going to go to my account, so I'm not joking. All right, APY, total APY. This is my balance. I've got $4,000 invested right now. All right, that's what my balance is worth. I've got 30,728 Titano tokens. Right. Next rebase, 5 minutes, 15 seconds. It's pretty cool. Gives you everything you need to know. My earnings daily, I'm earning $76 a day. Well, 583 Titano, which the value based on CoinMarketCap equates to about $76 a day. I don't know what else to tell you. I mean, current Titano price, 13 cents. Next reward amount, $12, 12 Titano. That's the next reward in 4 minutes. That's 12 Titano I'll earn. Next reward amount, it's worth $1.58. Now, obviously, as the Titano amount grows, and if I put any more in it, that amount's going to grow, both of these amounts. Next reward yield, 0.03958. 5-day rate of return, 9.87. That's crazy. 5-day rate of return in US dollars, so in a week, I'd be making, or a work week, like a normal work week. Some of you guys working 6, 7, some of you guys and gals working 6, 7 days a week, or at least 6 days a week. But a normal work week, $394. That's going to change, obviously, because we're going to be putting more money in here. It's going to grow. These numbers are going to change, which I love. So let's do the math, right? which they've already done most of it. So what did that say? $76 a day. $76 a day. I think that's what it said, right? Can I move this? Yep. 7603. All right. 76.03 times 7 times 4.33. So check this out. My $4,000 investment, and this is without the compounding additional, right? Just based off today's value, what it's worth today, is going to generate me potentially $2,300 a month. Now I say this a lot. How many people you know make $2,300 a month? They're working their butt off, right? This is all passive. Listen, I always say, don't hate, participate. Right? Don't hate, participate. I'm in it. I'm in the game. Now, this doesn't it didn't take a rocket scientist. You just need pancake swap. You either link your MetaMask or your Trust wallet to it, have some BNB, you buy some Titano, and you let that thing do what it do. If you have a nice chunk of change just sitting in a savings account doing nothing, why wouldn't you put this in this? Make this your savings account, right? That's what I would do. That's what I'm doing. Obviously, you see, I'm putting different things in different protocols, and this is definitely something I am bullish on. A lot of people, there's a lot of negative people out there. I'm going to tell you right now, a lot of haters out there hating on the comments, thumbs down on videos. Guess what? Are you even trying any of this? So how do you know it doesn't work? And what if it's not a rug pull, like a lot of people seem to think certain things are, or what they call a Ponzi scheme? What if it's not? Okay. Time will tell, right? Time will tell. But guess what? I'm not waiting for time to tell. I'm willing to take a risk. All right. That's how that works. You got to take a risk. You want to get something, you got to risk something. Plain and simple. That's how it works. That's the rules of the world. It's the rules of business. But I'm bullish again on Titano. Love it. I just want to show you what I'm into. Titano.finance. So if you want to kind of check it out, there's a lot of videos about it. You can go to Titano.finance and read it. Read the white paper. I highly recommend you do that. You read the white paper on anything so you can get educated. But this is a banger right here. This is a for real. I know it works. Like I told you, I was in it already, got out of it, spread the love and certain other protocols. Now I'm back in it. I'm back in it for the long haul. I'm not messing around because this thing can make you some serious skrilla. Think about this. Let's do a calculator real quick right here. Their calculator, not my own calculations. This is their calculator. Current, amount that I have, APY, purchase price, future price. Let's say it stays the same price. So in 60 days, my initial investment, current wealth, rewards, I'll have 95,000 additional to that town. So my potential return, you're looking at $12,000 in 60 days. Let's go 90. 21 grand potential. It's all potential in 90 days. And that's assuming that this price does not go anywhere and I don't get any more Titano. Remember that. Just what it is, right? If I don't put in any more Titano, it's going to do its thing. It's going to give me more Titano. But if the initial amount does not change, which it is going to change, I'm telling you right now, I'm putting some more in there. But let's go $1.20. So 120 days. That's what is that? 294,000 Titano. That's 38 grand off of a $4,000 investment. Then let's go 180. So let's go half the year. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. If I can make it match. Boom. So in 180 days, me not putting any more in there, just letting it do its auto staking, auto compounding, my potential return. I love that because it's not guaranteed. Nothing in life is guaranteed. All right. Potential return, $118,000. You see what I'm saying? I know it's real. Jesse Eccles showed me it was real. I know it's real. Also, I didn't make that much, but because I didn't leave it in that long. Stupid me. Now I'm in it. I'm done. It's long haul. We're going on a long ride. So I just want to show you guys what's up. That's Titano.finance. Check it out. Try something sometimes. Not saying what to do, not telling you what to do, showing you what I'm doing. Bitcoin J, you know how we do. I see you guys at the top. get that crypto. Till next time, peace.